Hi, this is Vic, and on this video I'm going to show you how to share a bill of materials with someone else on the team. Let's get started. So to share a bill of materials, you simply go up to the upper right hand and you find this share button here, and when you click it you will get the sharing settings dialog. So let's just become quickly acquainted with what's on it. If you're sharing a bill of materials that has subassemblies and you want to make sure that the person will have all the subassemblies associated with this bill of material, then you'll want to click include all, or rather include and share all subassemblies for this bill of material. Now I'm going to click this off. Although you might notice that in the bill of materials I'm sharing it will have some assemblies. For the purposes of this video I'm just going to keep it simple. So what you do now is you go ahead and enter the email. They must have an OpenBOM account, or rather, and said another way, they need to be a registered OpenBOM user or account holder. So let's go ahead, and in this case I know that my supplier has an OpenBOM account, so I'm going to go and enter his name. Let me go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to enter a supplier name. You might say, oh, hold on a minute, but that's just for the purposes here. That's a supplier email, and I'm going to give this particular person the edit capabilities. So you have two sharing capabilities. They can edit, which is self-evident or obvious, and can view. In other words, they can view, but they can't change anything in the bill of materials. They can only view it. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and share it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bring in, and pretending that I'm the supplier, I'm just going to superimpose this here. As a supplier, I got an email and I went ahead and opened the bill of material that's been shared with me in the OpenBOM dashboard. And sure enough, I have now the same bill of materials. You'll notice that I will see the supplier profile picture or avatar, and they see me. And we can now start collaborating and working in real time. I know it's not ideal with this particular video, but even if the supplier, let me just go ahead and add a property here just to give you a sense of how this could work. And I'm just going to add a supplier check, which means that it's just going to be a check mark, simple checkbox that I will add, or the supplier will add, to confirm whether in fact he's had a chance to check. So for example, if I check here, this one, you see that I'm just moving this down so you can tell that I'm making these changes. And of course, oops, you can't see that now. I'm just going to go back to my board here, but you know, if I make any changes, of course it'll be reflected in my supplier here. So you get the picture. This is how easy it is to share a bill of material. It's secure, right? So only the person you've shared the bill of materials with will be able to view and see and make changes if you've given them the right to the bill of materials. And that's how you share. Thank you very much.